You must have heard the terms millennials, Gen Z, Gen X, and boomers. Throughout history, each generation has made its mark, shaping a narrative of progress and innovation over time. Let's explore each of these generations. The lost generation, born between 1883 and 1900, endured the aftermath of World War I, shaping their worldview through struggle and determination. The greatest generation, spanning from 1901 to 1927, faced the Great Depression and World War II with courage and a strong sense of community duty. The silent generation, born between 1928 and 1945, grew up in the shadow of these global crises, often characterized by traditional values and a focus on stability. Baby boomers, born between 1946 and 1964, experienced significant societal change, economic prosperity, and cultural disruption, leaving a lasting impact on politics and culture. Generation X, from 1965 to 1980, navigated the rise of technology, globalization, and shifting family structures, often characterized by independence and skepticism. Millennials, born between 1981 and 1996, came of age in a digital era, marked by rapid technological advancements, economic uncertainty, and a focus on work-life balance. Generation Z, born between 1997 and 2012, is characterized by digital and social activism and a diverse, interconnected global perspective. Generation Alpha, born from 2013 onwards, is growing up in a highly digitized world, with technology integrated into every aspect of their lives from a young age, shaping their communication, learning, and social interactions. From the battle-hardened persistence of the lost generation to the digitally fluent Generation Alpha, the story of humanity unfolds, shaped by the victories and tribulations of each era.